Imagine waking up tomorrow with an extra $100 in your pocket, not from your job, not from overtime, but from a simple side hustle that you completely control. What would you do with it? Pay off some debt? Save for a trip? Or maybe just enjoy the peace of mind that comes with having a little extra breathing room? That reality is closer than you think. Welcome back to Cash Compass 360. In today's video, we're not just talking about theory, we're breaking down 5 real, practical side hustles that anyone can start even with zero experience and scale up to earn $100 a day. We're really going to show you exactly how others are doing it and how you can get started today. This isn't about getting rich quick. It's about building a sustainable income stream on your own terms. So, if you're ready to take control of your finances, let's get into it. Side hustle number 1. Freelance digital skills. This is the ultimate beginner-friendly path to making money online. Think about it. Every business, big or small, needs help with digital tasks. They need someone to write product descriptions, create simple graphics for social media, or edit short video clips for their marketing. These are skills you can learn quickly, often for free online, and start offering as a service. You don't need a fancy degree or years of experience. All you need is a laptop, an internet connection, and the consistency to deliver good work. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are flooded with clients looking for reliable freelancers. You could land a project editing 3 short videos for $35 each. And boom, you've already passed your $100 goal for the day. I personally believe freelancing is the easiest and fastest starting point for anyone. When I first tried it, I was shocked at how quickly people are willing to pay for skills they don't have the time to learn or do themselves. It's a direct exchange of value, and it puts you in the driver's seat. Side hustle number 2. Print on demand and digital products. This one is for the creative thinkers who want to build a more passive income stream. Here's how it works. You create a design once. It could be a clever quote for a t-shirt, a beautiful pattern for a phone case, or a template for a digital planner. Then, you upload it to a platform like Printify or sell it on a marketplace like Etsy. The best part? You hold zero inventory. When a customer makes a purchase, the print-on-demand company handles the printing, packaging, and shipping for you. You just collect the profit. For digital products like planners or ebooks, it's even simpler. You create the file once, and you can sell it an infinite number of times. This one is incredibly powerful because it's You put in the work up front to create a great design or product, and the income can keep flowing in, even when you're sleeping or on vacation. Imagine waking up to sales notifications for something you created weeks ago. That's the power of this model. Side hustle number 3. Short-form video editing for creators. If you want to tap into one of the hottest markets right now, this is it. Content creators on TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts are desperate for skilled editors who can make their videos pop. They are constantly producing content and simply don't have the hours to edit it all themselves. This is where you come in. You don't need to be a Hollywood-level editor. Most creators are looking for clean cuts, engaging captions, and some simple sound effects to keep their audience hooked. You can learn these skills in a weekend using free software like CapCut or DaVinci Resolve. A single creator might need 3 to 5 short videos edited per day. If you charge just $20 to $40 per video, you can easily hit your $100 daily target, working with just 1 or 2 clients. This is one of the most in-demand skills heading into 2025. If you learn how to do this now, you are putting yourself way ahead of thousands of other people. The demand is only growing, and those who get in early will have their pick of high-paying clients. Side hustle number 4. Online reselling and flipping. This is the classic buy low, sell high model, and it's faster and easier than ever thanks to online marketplaces. The concept is simple. You find undervalued items at thrift stores, garage sales, or even on Facebook Marketplace, and you resell them on platforms like eBay, Poshmark, or Mercari for a profit. You could find a vintage jacket for $5, clean it up, take great photos, and sell it online for $50. Or maybe you find a piece of furniture for $20, give it a quick coat of paint, and flip it for $150. The key is to develop an eye for what sells. Start by researching sold listings on eBay to see what items are currently in demand and what they're reselling for. It might be vintage band tees, specific brands of electronics, or mid-century modern home goods. With just 1 or 2 profitable flips, you can easily hit your $100 a day goal. This is a fast cash model that can give you immediate returns and is perfect for people who enjoy the thrill of the hunt. And finally, side hustle number 5. AI-powered microservices. Artificial intelligence is changing the game, and you can use it to your advantage to make money. Businesses and individuals are willing to pay for simple tasks that can be done incredibly quickly with AI tools. For example, a small business owner might need 10 social media post captions written for the week. Using an AI writer like ChatGPT, you could generate those in minutes and charge $25 for the service. Someone else might need an article rewritten to be more engaging. You can use an AI tool to do the heavy lifting and then add your human touch to polish it. Other services include creating simple ad copy, generating business name ideas, or even creating AI-generated art for blog posts. People are paying for the convenience and the speed. You can learn to use these powerful tools in a single day and start offering these microservices for $10 to $50 per task. A few of these tasks a day, and you're at your $100 goal with minimal effort. So, there you have 5 distinct paths to making an extra $100 a day. From the hands-on approach of freelancing and flipping to the semi-passive income from digital products, there's a side hustle here for every personality and skill level. The most important step is to just start. Pick one that excites you and commit to it. Which of these side hustles would you try first? Freelancing, digital products, video editing, reselling, or AI services? Write your choice in the comments below. I genuinely love reading your ideas and seeing what resonates with you. If you want more practical videos that help you earn more, save smarter, and build real, lasting financial freedom, make sure you like this video and subscribe to Cash Compass 360. Your journey to financial empowerment starts right now. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.